One. Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I got a little Dollar Tree haul for you. And I got little Miss Dot who just wants to kiss her mama and tell everybody hey so they can see your pretty face. This is my Dottie girl. You love mama. Do you love you mama? You give mama kisses? You sweet girl. Want a cookie? Let's get a cookie.
Okay, so let's just get right to it. It's just a little Dollar Tree haul, not a lot of stuff. One or two things that I was looking for, kind of wish list items, not really wish list items, but things that I usually find in my Dollar Tree. First thing I got is this Fruta, I don't know how to say it, but mini bars, peanuts. You know, y'all know I'm trying to do the low carb thing. This is not the best snack in the world, but 3 pieces have 11 carbs and 2 grams of fiber, so 9 carbs. So 3 carbs in each little bar. I kind of keep these in my car, and if I'm feeling like I just gotta have something, I'll eat one of these. They don't have the best ingredients in it, but I try to do low carb, not really the keto. People who do strict keto would never eat these because they do have sugar in them and palm oil, which is not really all that good for you. But it is a great, if you just got to have something. So, and I wouldn't like sit down and eat the whole bag. But whereas if I buy a bag of peanuts, I'll eat the whole bag. So. And then I picked up another little snacky thing to have. This Jack Link's beef and cheese, and it has 2 carbs, and that's a great snack if you're on the go. It keeps me from eating a bag of chips or something. So, and then I picked up some of the Cooking Concepts parchment paper. I think there's 10 sheets in here. It's 15 by 12. I use these with my heat press when I'm doing crafts, and it's good to put down if you're painting to keep from getting paint on stuff. And I picked up a couple more of the Essentials heavy duty storage bags to the extra large ones. I got 4 more of those. I haven't been able to find the other size. What did they say? Where did I see somewhere that said there was, oh yeah, there's extra large. I haven't been able to find that one, but I have some of the large ones, and then I have some of the extra large ones. I'm trying to organize all my stuff in my craft room, my sewing stuff, so that's good to put stuff in I'm working on or projects like that. And then I did kind of hit the Bolero or skincare jackpot here. I picked up, well, this is a Bolero brand. Oh yeah, it is Bolero. I got the Jelly Nutrient Mist, the Lychee and Watermelon, the Vitamin C and Strawberry, and the Aloe and Rose Water. I love anything with rose in it, so I picked those up, and they all have 4 ounces in it, and it's supposed to be soothing to your skin. I like to keep one in my car for when it's hot. Sometimes I like to go out to the park and walk, or even just shopping and stuff, and you just are so hot, just a little spritz makes you feel so much better. 3, 2, 1. Then I picked up a pack of the Pro Max magnetic dry erase markers. I have a dry erase calendar on my refrigerator, so I got that for it. And then I got some rose and coconut cream facial wash from Bolero, so I picked that up. And then I picked up one of the paper mask. It's hydrating. Picked that up. And I think that's all one more. I got some of the Aloe and Rose Water facial serum. And y'all, a lot of y'all know I have eczema on my face, and this, I don't have any problem with this. I get no breakouts, no tingly. It seems to be doing really well. I haven't had any problems with it. This was a wish list item that I found. The little wreath tags or craft tags, the one that one says choose happy, and then a vase of flowers, and then one that says hope. So I think they come with a little cord or wire, so you could wire it on the corner of a wreath, or I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use them for. I probably won't use them on a wreath, but I'll use them for some crafting. And let's see. Oh, I found this pair of the readers, but these are sunshade readers, so that'll be good for the summertime. So I won't be blinded by the sun, and I'll still be able to read. And I picked up this Dove Men Care Ultra Hydra Cream Face, Hands, and Body. I got this for my son. All of our hands are just so dried out from so much hand sanitizer and hand washing that we're going through lotion really fast. And then I picked up some Sesame Street Hushables. Don't make the mistake and think these are flushables. These are not flushable. Don't flush these. This is the sensitive skin baby wipes. I got those to kind of use for Mama a little bit. And I picked up some of the tall kitchen garbage bags. Mountain Air scent. They don't really have a lot of scent, but I like the nice blue color. It matches my bathroom. And I got the Secret Solid $1. It's smaller than the regular size, but I'm trying to stay out of Walmart. There's just too many people there. So Dollar Tree is a little less congested in my area, so I like to run in there. And I picked up some of the Crafter Square Woodwork Glue. I haven't tried this yet. If y'all have tried it and had luck with it, let me know. So I'm going to use that for some crafts coming up. And then I picked up just a little bottle of the Dawn Dishwashing Liquid, 7 fluid ounces. Usually when I do go in Walmart, I just buy the great big thing. It seems to last forever. These I just go through, seems like really fast, but maybe it's just me. And I picked up some Tide Simply Clean. I like to add this to my LA Awesome laundry detergent. It just gives it a little boost. And so I get, so instead of costing $1 for my laundry detergent, it costs $2, but I think it does a good job. So I just kind of supplement that. And then I got one of these E-Circuit ring phone holders with a pop ring. I got this to go on the back of my tablet, or my little, tablet. It's kind of like an iPad, but it's not. It's an Android tab. But anyway, because I have a hard time holding, because I have arthritis in this thumb, so I had one on there, but it fell off, so I got a new one so I can kind of hold it. Then I got this set of 6 snap clips. These are a little bit bigger than the usual ones they have in Dollar Tree, so I picked those up. It's getting summertime, time to pull that hair back. Just a couple of more items, y'all. I picked up some of the Crafter Square Natural Jute Cord. It's 3-ply and it's 187 feet for all those farmhouse crafts. And then I picked up this silver metal spoon rest. That's really cute for my kitchen. And then I picked up 2 of the just baking sheets, aluminum. This is really good aluminum to craft with. It's easy to cut, and it gives you the look of wrought iron or metal works if you're doing wood crafts. So I'll pick that up. Anyway, y'all, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope y'all all are having a great week. The weather around here has been kind of crazy. It's hot, it's cold, there's thunderstorms, and then we just had the hurricane, our tropical storm Arthur went up the coast. We got some rain off of it, but no wind damage or anything. But anyway, I hope y'all are doing well and everything's going your way. But anyway, y'all have a great week. Get out there if you're able to and your store's not too crowded. Go shopping, buy some stuff, and see what you can do. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.